Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Toyota Camry door panel step by step. Start by lowering the window, prying off the trim, and removing screws behind handles and armrest. Disconnect all electrical connectors and lift the panel straight away, guiding clips free and setting the panel aside safely. Keep screws organized in a labeled container and use a trim tool to avoid damage, wearing gloves for better grip and to protect finishes. Start by removing all visible screws and hidden fasteners, working methodically around the armrest, handle, and lower edge. Use a plastic pry tool to gently remove trim covers and expose screws without damaging paint or plastic. As you remove parts, place screws and clips in clearly labeled containers or magnetic trays so reassembly is fast and error-free. And take photos if your wiring or clip layout seems complex. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They feel great while you wrench and won't slow you down. Check the description for the link and other deals. And if you enjoyed this tip, consider sharing with a friend. Now let's get back to the video. With fasteners out, clear your work area and depress each connector tab before pulling wires free to avoid damage. Remove the window switch assembly and speaker plugs, noting their positions, and then support the panel with one hand while you detach the remaining clips. Lift the door panel up and away from the frame in a steady motion, flexing it slightly as needed, and set it on a soft surface to prevent scratches while you continue repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.